यो वाक्य हेरौं। अनुहार नबिगार। Don't make faces. Don't make faces. केही कुरा मन नपर्दा या त ठट्टामा अनुहार खुम्चाउनु अथवा बिगार्नुलाई नै make faces भनिन्छ र don't make faces भनेको अनुहार नखुम्चाऊ नबिगार भनेको हो। अब अर्को वाक्यमा जाउँ। मलाई हेर्न देऊ अथवा म हेर्छु है। Let me see. Let me see. मलाई नजिकबाट हेर्न देऊ अथवा म नजिकबाट हेर्छु है। Let me take a closer look. Let me take a closer look. C-L-O-S-E-R closer नभन्नुहोला। Let me take a closer look भन्नुहोला। Closer, closer. Let me take a closer look. म तपाईको साँच्चै कदर गर्छु। I really appreciate you. I really appreciate you. A-P-P-R-E-C-I-A-T-E. Appreciate. I really appreciate you. ध्यान दिनुहोस्, appreciate नभन्नुहोस्, appreciate भन्नुहोस् है। अगाडि a होइन अ हुन्छ। Appreciate. तपाई हेरिरहनु भएको छ हाम्रो इंग्लिश गुरु युट्युब च्यानल, तपाईहरुको अंग्रेजी सिक्ने ठाउँ। आजको भिडियोमा यसरी नै सारै महत्त्वपूर्ण अंग्रेजीका वाक्यहरुको अभ्यास गरौँ। उसले खोकिरहेको छ। He is coughing. He is coughing. उसले नराम्रोसँग खोकिरहेको छ भन्न चाहिँ He is coughing badly. He is coughing badly. म सत्य बोल्दैछु। I am telling the truth. I am telling the truth. Truth भनेको सत्य। I am telling the truth. तिमी किन केही खादैनौ? Why don't you eat something? Why don't you eat something? मलाई भोक लागेको छैन। I am not feeling hungry. I am not feeling hungry. मलाई पटक्कै भोक लागेको छैन भन्न चाहिँ I am not at all hungry. I am not at all hungry. के सबै ठीक छ? Is everything all right? Is everything all right? सबै ठीक छ। Everything is all right. Everything is all right. के ऊ सधैँ यस्तै हो? Is he always like this? Is he always like this? Always को अर्थ सधैँ। Is he always like this? ऊ सधैँ यस्तो होइन अथवा छैन। He is not always like this. He is not always like this. खै आज उसलाई के भएको छ मलाई पनि थाहा छैन। Even I don't know what happened to him today. Even I don't know what happened to him today. बहाना नबनाऊ. Don't make excuses. Don't make excuses. Excuses भनेको बहाना. Don't make excuses. यो राम्रो बहाना हो. It's a good excuse. It's a good excuse. मेरो हात दुखेको छ. I have a pain in my hand. I have a pain in my hand. मलाई एकछिन आराम गर्नु छ. I need to rest for a while. I need to rest for a while. For a while भनेको एकछिन अथवा केही समयको लागि. I need to rest for a while. म अहिले गरौँ सामान उचाल्न सक्दिन. I can't lift heavy things right now. I can't lift heavy things right now. Be sure to subscribe to this channel, Hamro English Guru and Hamro Online Class if you haven't subscribed already. र दुवै च्यानलको सब्स्क्राइबको छेउमा भएको घण्टीलाई पनि बजाउन नभुल्नुहोला. यस्तै सारै महत्त्वपूर्ण अंग्रेजीका भिडियोहरू कहिले पनि नछुटनका लागि. माफ गर्नुहोला, मैले यो गर्न बिर्से. I'm sorry, I forgot to do this. I'm sorry, I forgot to do this. Forgot भनेको बिर्सेको. Forget को verb to अथवा past form हो यो forgot. I'm sorry, I forgot to do this. तिमीले याद गर्नुपर्ने थियो. You should have remembered. You should have remembered. म समस्यामा छु. I am in trouble. I am in trouble. यहाँ trouble भनेको समस्या हो. I am in trouble. तिमीलाई के समस्या छ अथवा तिम्रो समस्या के हो? What is your problem? What is your problem? म तिमीलाई पछि भन्नेछु. I'll tell you later. I'll tell you later. Later को अर्थ पछि. I'll tell you later. अहिले भन्न मिल्दैन र? Can't you say right now? Can't you say right now? अहिले होइन अथवा मिल्दैन. No, not now. No, not now. म तिमीसँग रिसाएको छु. I am angry with you. I am angry with you. तिमीले मलाई पहिले किन भनेनौ? Why didn't you tell me first? Why didn't you tell me first? मैले तिमीलाई भन्न बिर्सिएँ. I forgot to tell you. I forgot to tell you. यस भिडियोलाई लाइक र शेयर गर्न अवश्य नछुटाउनुहोला. Be sure to like and share this video. म त्यस्तो मान्छे होइन. I am not such a person. I am not such a person. त्यसो भए तिमी कस्तो मान्छे हौ त? So what kind of a person are you? So what kind of a person are you? म एकदम नै सामान्य मान्छे हुँ. I am a very normal person. I am a very normal person. Normal भनेको सामान्य. I am a very normal person. सुनेर राम्रो लाग्यो. Nice to hear that. Nice to hear that. तिमीलाई देखेर मलाई मेरो भाइको याद आयो. Seeing you reminded me of my brother. Seeing you reminded me of my brother. Of my brother नभन्नुहोस्, of my brother भन्नुहोस् है. of of होइन, of my brother. Seeing you reminded me of my brother. तिम्रो बानी मेरो भाइको जस्तै छ. Your habits are similar to my brother's. Your habits are similar to my brother's. Similar भनेको उस्ता उस्तै. Your habits are similar to my brother's. तिम्रो कपालको शैली मेरो भाइकोसँग मिल्छ. Your hairstyle is similar to my brother's. Your hairstyle is similar to my brother's. तिमीहरू दुई उस्तै देखिन्छौ. You both look alike. You both look alike. Alike भनेको उस्तै. You both look alike. तिमीलाई कस्तो लाग्छ अथवा तिम्रो के विचार छ? What do you think? What do you think? मलाई पनि त्यस्तै लाग्छ. I think so too. I think so too. आजको भिडियोलाई यति नै. This much for the video. Be sure to like, comment, share and subscribe. र यस च्यानल र हाम्रो अनलाइन क्लासमा भएका सबै भिडियोहरू एक गरी हेर्न त अवश्य नछुटाउनु होला. अंग्रेजीलाई आफ्नो वशमा ल्याउनको लागि. आजलाई यति नै. राम्ररी बस्नु होला. Take care and have a wonderful day.